me, I know. Nah, go this you, baby. Why? I'm out. Yeah.
Vybz Kartel to be sanctioned over contraband seized in his jail cell. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Now let's jump into the story. The Department of Correctional Services says sanctions are to be laid against murder convict Adidja Palmer, better known as Vybz Kartel, following the seizure of contraband in his jail cell. Penalties are also to be imposed on other inmates over similar recoveries. The department says it was prompt to conduct a raid of his cell after receiving reports that Kartel was involved in a live stream on a popular social media platform. The matter is being investigated. The department is taking these actions very seriously and efforts are being made to limit a reoccurrence. So last night, that is March 26th, a popular dancehall figure was on live. Anybody can be running his page. They don't know if it is him. So that's why they are investigating. But what I want you to comment about, guys, who do you think should get in the real trouble? The inmates or the persons that are responsible for the inmates? Because he must have gotten these contrabands some way, somehow. Yo, I don't know, just comment below and tell me what you think. Please remember to subscribe to the Sauna Room because we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.